Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have the gift card and its PIN. Start by confirming the balance on the issuer's site. Log into your PayPal account and open Wallet to add a card. Enter the gift card number exactly, include the PIN when prompted, and make sure the billing postal code matches the card's registration. Once done, PayPal may ask to link a bank or card for verification. Complete that only if asked. These steps let PayPal recognize the card and show its usable balance. Once the gift card is linked, decide how you'll use it. If PayPal allows, move funds into your PayPal balance through Add Funds for broader use. Otherwise, keep it as a linked payment method. When checking out, select the gift card or PayPal balance as your payment source. If the purchase exceeds the gift card value, choose split payment and pick a backup funding method. Make sure you review the final payment breakdown so you know exactly what is charged where. Complete the purchase and inspect the PayPal receipt to confirm the gift card was used and note any remaining balance. If the payment is declined, first recheck the PIN entry and the card's available balance. Then verify that PayPal accepts that issuer and the card's country or card type. If problems persist, capture the transaction ID and contact PayPal support and the gift card issuer. One key tip: keep.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.